how to measure distance on Google Maps. So if you want to go ahead and measure distance on Google Maps, here's how you're going to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose a region you want to measure distance from. So let's say I'm going to go from Mongolia. I'm going to click on directions, and then you're going to choose starting point like this. Okay. So once we do this, you're going to click on best travel modes. Okay. And once you do this, what it does is it easily allows itself to go ahead and basically calculate directions. Okay, so same I can do over here. Let's say we're gonna go over and zoom in. And once we're over here, let's say I'm gonna choose this point, and for my starting point, I'm gonna choose this point. So this generally makes it pretty easy to choose a starting and ending location. And I'm going to simply go ahead and add this destination over here. And once you do that, as you can see, it tells you the distance and the time it's going to take you from there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.